Hey guys, Joy here. So I'm going to show you how to make a latte that is beautifying, skin loving, amazing for joint health, amazing for gut health, and most importantly, it tastes so delicious. Now there's a secret ingredient that makes it incredibly healthy and so good for you. So the ingredient that makes this latte so good for you and so great for your skin is the fact that I'm using collagen. Now collagen is like the trendiest natural health product on the market today. Maybe some of you are already using collagen, but Genuine Health now has a collagen too. So that's what I'm going to be using. And why is collagen so awesome? Well, first of all, it is the most abundant protein in the entire body. And our collagen actually begins to decline in our 20s. If you've ever wondered what collagen kind of feels like, just touch a baby and you know that soft, supple skin that has great elasticity, not like my arm here. Great elasticity, that's because of collagen. So collagen helps your skin kind of like snap back. It helps with the elasticity of your skin. And 90% of the dermis, so that's like the scaffolding of your skin, is actually made of collagen. That's why as you age, collagen decline is very easily seen in your face, from fine lines and wrinkles. So taking collagen is actually proven to help you have like a more youthful appearance. Aside from the beauty benefits and helping to maintain a youthful appearance, it helps the skin look more hydrated. There are many more benefits for your bones, your joints, your gut health. So let's just get into this and start making this latte, and I'll tell you about all these amazing superfood ingredients that I'm putting into my latte. So you will need a blender for this, and the only reason you need a blender is because you're putting in some coconut butter, and so you want it to blend up and get nice and creamy. So I'm using a non-dairy milk here because I don't drink cow's milk. So this is an almond milk. I like almond milks for lattes or coconut milk, but almond milk is nice and creamy and gives you like a nice foam as well. I have matcha too. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of matcha. Matcha is really energizing. I like matcha over coffee personally because coffee just makes me feel anxious and yucky. Whereas matcha, even though it does have a little bit of caffeine, it also has an amino acid called L-theanine, which counteracts or counterbalances the effect of caffeine. So it's actually very calming to the body, and it's really rich in antioxidants. Even more richer than green tea is amazing, first of all, but when you have matcha, that's even more potent in antioxidants than an actual green tea. So when you buy matcha, look for shade grown, organic. It comes in a powder like this. The green tea leaves are actually ground down to a fine powder, just like this. And it gives it a beautiful color as well. Now, if you're new to matcha, definitely don't skip adding a little bit of sweetness because it's definitely, I would say that matcha is an acquired taste. And so that's why I always add some raw honey. So you could, if you don't consume bee products, then you could very easily use coconut sugar in this latte, or you could use maple syrup. But honey is really fantastic for the immune system. It's a source of amino acids, of B vitamins. It's great to prevent things like allergies. And I just like taking a little spoonful of it when cold and flu season is happening because I like to keep my immune system strong. Now I'm also adding some coconut butter. As you can see here, this coconut butter is mixed with a little bit of coconut oil, which is okay, because when you buy coconut butter, also called coconut manna, oftentimes the oil is separated from the actual butter. Coconut butter looks like this. It's creamy, it's sweet. There's no sweetness added to it. It's just naturally sweet. And coconut butter is the meat of the coconut. So they haven't extracted out the fats. There's the fiber, the protein. You basically have everything, and it makes for super creamy, delicious lattes. If you don't like sweetness at all, you could actually just use the coconut butter in this latte and skip the honey if you want. And then I'm going to add some bee pollen. I don't know if you guys have tried bee pollen before, but here, I'll show you what it looks like. I'll just like put some on my hand here. Whoop. So bee pollen is this stuff falls off of the little legs of the bees, and it's collected by beekeepers, and it's a source of B vitamins and amino acids, antioxidants, and it is beautiful. It's so beautiful when we just put it on top of our latte, and you could mix this into yogurt, into your smoothie. There's so many awesome ways to use bee pollen. And last but not least, I'm gonna add a nice big scoop of marine collagen. So this is the collagen I like. It's hydrolyzed, which means it's collagen peptides and it actually gets digested. It's very easy to digest so that the collagen gets to where it needs to go in the body. And the nice thing is that the collagen totally dissolves into your liquid. So if you're not making this in a blender and you just put collagen into hot water and mix it with a spoon or a hot tea, which is what I do every night before bed, I have collagen, it totally dissolves. So you don't get like, it's not like chunky or like, it doesn't have taste. It's tasteless, odorless, but Genuine Health also does have flavored collagen, which is really great too if you just wanna, boost up the flavor of your water to help you drink more water. Okay, so I have my high power blender here. I'm gonna add my liquid ingredients first. So you really have to be careful and let the steam evaporate, because if you put all the ingredients in and put your lid on immediately and to hit the on button, it could make your blender lid pop off and explode from the heat. Here we have our collagen matcha latte. Look at that gorgeous color. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of bee pollen on top. All right, let's try this collagen matcha latte. Delicious. I'm going to be drinking this all through the winter. It is warming, it's gut loving, it's so good for your skin, and it tastes so good. You can get the whole recipe in the description box. If you guys have any questions at all, post them below, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you make this latte and tell me how much you love it. Bye guys!